Welcome to Earth's RX Foods, where we share science-backed ways to improve your health using the power of real food and natural habits. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This content is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making changes to your diet, medications, supplements, or health routine. You've probably eaten garlic countless times. But have you ever heard of black garlic? Despite its unusual appearance, black garlic isn't a different variety of garlic at all. It's regular garlic that's been slowly aged under carefully controlled heat and humidity for several weeks. This process transforms the cloves into soft, dark, almost black pieces with a sweet, rich flavor that's often compared to balsamic vinegar, molasses, or dried fruit. Even more interesting, the aging process changes many of the compounds inside the garlic, creating a food that's packed with antioxidants and unique health-promoting compounds. So, what exactly is black garlic, and is it healthier than regular garlic? Let's find out. What is black garlic? Black garlic starts out as ordinary fresh garlic. The bulbs are placed in a warm, humid environment for several weeks. During this time, a natural chemical reaction called the Maillard reaction occurs. This is the same reaction that gives toasted bread, roasted coffee, and grilled steak their rich flavors. Importantly, black garlic is not fermented in the traditional sense. How? Instead, the garlic slowly changes color, texture, flavor, and nutritional profile. The result is soft, spreadable cloves, a sweet, savory flavor, almost no sharp garlic bite, and little to no lingering garlic breath. 1. It's extremely rich in antioxidants. One of black garlic's biggest advantages is its impressive antioxidant content. During the aging process, certain antioxidant compounds increase, helping the garlic better protect cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is associated with aging and many chronic health conditions. Adding antioxidant-rich foods like black garlic to your diet may help support long-term health. It may support heart health. Like fresh garlic, black garlic has been studied for its potential cardiovascular benefits. Some research suggests it may help support healthy cholesterol levels, healthy blood pressure, and even healthy circulation. One reason may be its high concentration of sulfur-containing compounds, including S-allyl cysteine, which becomes more abundant during the aging process and is more easily absorbed by the body than some compounds in fresh garlic. Remember, black garlic isn't a substitute for medical treatment, but it can be part of a heart-healthy eating pattern. 3. It may help support your immune system. Garlic has long been associated with immune health. Black garlic retains many of garlic's beneficial sulfur compounds while also providing additional antioxidants. Researchers continue studying how these compounds may help support the body's natural immune defenses. Combined with healthy sleep, regular exercise, and a nutritious diet, black garlic can be another tool for supporting overall wellness. 4. It may help support healthy inflammation levels. Black garlic contains plant compounds that have been studied for their potential role in supporting the body's normal inflammatory response. While inflammation is a normal part of healing, long-term excessive inflammation has been linked to many chronic diseases. Eating a diet rich in colorful fruits, vegetables, herbs, spices, and foods like black garlic may help support overall health. It may support brain health. Scientists are increasingly interested in how antioxidants affect brain health. Because black garlic contains high levels of antioxidant compounds, researchers are exploring whether it may help protect brain cells from oxidative damage. While more human research is needed, adding antioxidant-rich foods to your diet is one way to support healthy aging. 6. It may help support healthy blood sugar. Some early research suggests black garlic may support healthy blood sugar regulation as part of an overall balanced diet. Although the evidence is still developing, combining black garlic with other high-fiber nutrient-rich foods may support metabolic health. 7. It's easier to digest than raw garlic. Many people love garlic but experience stomach discomfort after eating it. Because black garlic has undergone the aging process, many people find it gentler on the stomach. Its milder flavor also makes it much easier to enjoy on its own. How does it compare to regular garlic? Both fresh garlic and black garlic offer impressive health benefits. Fresh garlic contains high levels of allicin, the compound responsible for its pungent smell and many of its well-known health effects. Black garlic contains much less allicin because it changes during the aging process. However, it contains higher levels of other beneficial compounds, particularly certain antioxidants and S-allyl cysteine. The bottom line? They're both healthy. They simply offer different nutritional strengths. How to use black garlic. One of the best things about black garlic is how versatile it is. Try adding it to mashed potatoes, pasta dishes, stir-fries, soups, sandwiches, burgers, salad dressings, roasted vegetables, pizza, and charcuterie boards. You can even spread the soft cloves directly onto whole grain toast. Because its flavor is naturally sweet and savory, it pairs beautifully with meats, seafood, vegetables, and cheeses. Where can you find it? Black garlic has become much easier to find in recent years. Look for it at specialty grocery stores, health food stores, farmers markets, Asian grocery stores, and many online retailers. You can also make black garlic at home, although the process usually takes several weeks and requires maintaining a consistent, warm, humid environment. Black garlic may not be as well known as regular garlic, but it's quickly earning a reputation as one of the most unique superfoods available. Its rich flavor, high antioxidant content, and potential health benefits make it an excellent addition to a balanced diet. Whether you're looking to support your heart, immune system, or overall healthy aging, black garlic is certainly worth trying. Remember, no single food is a magic solution. But consistently choosing nutrient-dense foods like black garlic can help support your health one meal at a time. At Earth's RX Foods, we focus on simple, science-backed strategies to help you take control of your health. If this video introduced you to black garlic for the first time, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's always looking for healthier foods to try. Your health is your greatest asset. Fuel it wisely.